afternoon. It's Perry over at Axe Equipment. We're going to take a look at our AT85 agitating hot tank. This is an 850 gallon size tank. It's 120 inches long, 36 inches front to back, and you got a 32-inch depth. And what we're going to look at is I want to show you the impeller, how the water is driven. You'll go in here, you'll see an impeller. Try to get a little light on there for you. You can see the impeller here. I'm going to turn the pump on. You see that impeller spinning. It pushes the water down this hole and out of this trough here. And in the back, you'll see how it's driven. These are your pumps. You have 4 pumps. And you've got a 2 horsepower motor here, 2 horsepower motor here. And you've got some 1¼ inch, very, very heavy duty bearings that these impeller shafts go through. You're talking about a machine that'll give you 20, 30 years of life. All spring loaded, insulated, big 2-inch insulation. Get your gas burner, you get a 6-inch gas outlet here. Like I said, 36 by 120. You've got 3 grates. This is one of them here. This is one of 3 grates. These are made out of 1/2-inch rod with 5/8 flat. These grates set down in here on the ledge. And you're looking at about a 2,000 pound weight capacity here. But this is a really nice machine. It's going to give you a lot of service for a lot of years. Get your Let's Go box here. You got a 6-hour timer. You got a temperature controller, and then you got a heat switch. You got the, of course, short circuit and thermal protection for your motors and your gas burner. And I'll just show you how easy this lid is. I've just got one hand here. I'll just bring that down one-handed. All done manually. There's your handle. You got a real nice stiffener right here along the top of this to keep that lid nice and flat. And if you ever had to work on that lid to take it off for any reason, that's a place you can pull it from. Now I'm going to lift this lid also with just one hand. Let's see here, just one-handed, straight up. Nice and spring loaded. All V-bottomed out here on the bottom. You can see how that bottom works. Again, it's a lot of bang for the buck. So for the best in cleaning, call Axe. That's Axe Equipment, 800-251-0018, or visit us on the web at axeequipment.com.